Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It was a beautiful day. Nifty was closing somewhere closer to the 10,500 and Bank Nifty about 22,000 mark. How it is going to be tomorrow and how this week and monthly expiry is going to be. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty, it was a kind of small gap up opening, and then it got a rejection first time at this 10,400 mark, which I said the rejection will be at 10,400 to 500. So that is what it happened. Like first rejection was at 10,400 and then gone back to the kind of yesterday's this lowest level, the closing low level, and then it got it started like moving up. So Nifty was a kind of very good move. It gave a kind of couple of entries throughout the day. Like even though if you have missed throughout this one, entered wrongly, then it gave a kind of very good entry at this point. So this type of entries you can catch when you attend my TLP program. And so it was a kind of gradual upward move. There is no sign of a downward because it has not gone below this 10,300 mark, which I discussed. Whenever you see below 10,300 you can exercise put option. So Bank Nifty call option was a very clear winner, gave a kind of 105 rupees profit per lot, and this put option was not executed. And coming to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also the same. You can see the first rejection happened at 22,000 mark, or 21,900 to 22,000 mark, and it got a kind of downward movement. And also the kind of quote was, whenever it goes below 21,700 levels, we can execute put option. So it just got executed, but the level was not through. There was no kind of confirmation candle below this one, which there should be a kind of small red candle below this one. So there is no confirmation. And then a second time rejection happened exactly at 22,000 mark and gave a kind of 120 points profit during this. So and then except this, it was a kind of very beautiful rally, and then at this point of time it broke this 22,000 level. So it just went down and came up with a full swing up, and then gave a kind of very good 22,000 breakout, and then it just rallied up and closed at 22,264, and because of which it gave a kind of very beautiful return throughout the day. On the call option side, you can see the low from the open was only 60 points and the gain was almost 467. So this is one of the biggest move we can expect during this time period of time. And how it is going to be tomorrow, so let us go to the daily candlesticks of Nifty. So both Nifty and these two has broken their kind of the major resistance of this 10,400 or 10,300 to 400 mark, and it is above that level. So tomorrow, if it sustains above this 10,400 mark, we can expect it to cross this 21,500 to 600 mark. But again, this 10,500 to 600 is having a kind of a very big resistance. So tomorrow what we can expect on Nifty is if it goes up and if it crosses over 10,500, we can expect a fresh rally up to this 10,600 mark. Otherwise it can come down and we may expect it to touch this 10,300 mark. And on the Bank Nifty side, it has clearly crossed this 22,000 mark. So if it sustains about 22,000, we can expect a fresh rally. Okay, and let us go to the level. So 22,000 is a kind of crucial level, but the next resistance which we have to see is this 22,500 mark. So what is there for tomorrow? Most of you might be thinking, why I am mentioning this boxes. So this is the break-even box. So if you see this ATM and ITM at the money and in the money levels are almost in the same range. So the break-even, you can see on the put option side, it has to close somewhere at 10,400, and on the call option side it has to close somewhere above 10,500. and we are exactly in the middle of that, so 10,071, which you can see. So the tomorrow's level will be, if it goes below 10,400 we can exercise put option, and if it crosses about 10,500 we can exercise this call option. So that is what the indication is. So like this becomes very much realistic when we are closer to the expiry, or monthly expiry or weekly expiry, some like 2 days to 3 days, like when Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all these 3 days, this values become very much realistic. So tomorrow's level will be, if Nifty is about 10,500 you can exercise 10,500 call option, and the stop will be the today's close, which is like 10,450 will be our stop. Target will be 10,600. So don't expect much big targets. So 10,500 itself is a big resistance. So whenever you see about 10,500 and 10,600 mark, 10,600 will be the highest value, so you can close your call option and you can do a reverse trading. And on the other side, if it goes below 10,400 you can exit, you can execute this 10,500 or 10,400 put option based on your fund availability, and the target for the same will be 10,300 to 250, because the 10,300 is having a kind of huge support if it goes down. Okay, 10,300 will be the target for put option. Stop loss will be 10,500, so 10,500 or 450 you can close wisely. Okay, so let me conclude. Whenever you see Nifty about 10,500 you can exercise 10,500 call option for a target of 10,600 marks, and you have to close your call option position, and you can do reverse trading with a 10,600 mark. Stop loss will be 10,450, and after which you can exercise your put option. And on the other side, if you see Nifty below 10,400 mark you can exercise 10,400 or 10,500 call option for a target of 10,300 marks. Stop loss will be 10,450. And let me go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see the same thing, if you see somewhere above 22,300 mark, if it is crossing and sustaining about 10,300 mark, you can exercise 22,300 for a target of 22,500, and you have to close your call option position at 22,500. Otherwise, if you are a risky trader, you can trail your stop loss without closing the position. Okay, and stop loss for the same will be 22,200. So whenever Bank Nifty crosses 22,200 you can close your call option position. And on the other side, if the opening is below 22,200 you can exercise 22,300 put option for the target of 22,000. Okay, 22,000 will be the lower limit, and you can close your put option. Otherwise, if you are a risky player, you can trail your stop loss. Stop loss for the put option will be 22,300. Okay, all the very best and have a beautiful day tomorrow. And if you are interested to know about these kind of levels and how to read the chart and everything, you can contact me on my details given in the description, and you can subscribe for the TLP program which I am conducting through online. It is going to be like a 6 days or 2 days short-term course. If you are interested, you can contact me for this program. All the very best and have a beautiful trading day tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye.